It kind of a bit more, just almost level, a bit more than that.
Okay, so this is the cinnamon challenge, where you just eat cinnamon.
Yes, don't like freaking blow your cinnamon in my face. You're like coughing and like...
Who did that?
You're already coughing, Kayla.
Wait, it's okay, it's fine. What is the purpose of this? Am I gonna die? Or
You
get
took
like a
a lot. I
second
think you
vagina or
should
something?
take a bit less. You're gonna die from that.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Don't worry, mine is...
Oh, Kendall, I'm sorry. Okay, so,
I'm afraid.
Me too. I don't want to do this.
I don't want to do this anymore.
okay,
Your dress.
so, it's okay.
I'm still
Okay,
gonna
so, das ist the cinnamon challenge. I don't know what that was, but okay. Okay, and...
No! I'm not ready.
No, me neither. My
Wait,
mouth
wait.
is too dry for this.
I think you'll better back up because I might be spitting.
Oh, please don't.
I'm just putting that out there. Okay.
Okay. Oh, cheers.
I
Okay.
can't stop laughing.
Just
I'm gonna
like-
choke.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Wait, someone count.
Okay. 1, 2,
Okay.
2 and a half, 2 and 3/4. Oh my lord.
I need to
Okay.
pee.
Okay. We're gonna do it now.
Okay.
Cheers. Cheers, y'all. Cheers.
Hey, don't listen.
Cheers. Cheers. Okay. Okay. We got this. Okay.
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 Oh my
Okay.
gosh.
Stop laughing, you guys. You blew half of it away. Okay. Okay.
Wait, none of mine got blown away.
Really? It was accidental.
I laughed mine away.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No. No.
Oh my lord. Oh, you spat it on my foot. Clean me.
Just put your foot in the swimming pool.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, that's gross. Where'd
feel
you
like
guys
vomiting.
go?
Ew.
Oh no.
Ew, that was disgusting.
Ugh. Look at you. Ah.
I'm okay.
Are you okay, Kendall? Did you survive? You almost. You almost died.
Someone spat on my face.